wabe ngimbidla yo abe ngimbidla esikolweni yo kakhulu kuye mina like ngomswenko vele ya isikolo sonke vele bengisiphethe bayazi nabo abaningi
Nesicefe yo.
Bekenzani? Yini lento le
ngitshola ne taxi driver. Hey bathu, taxi driver.
Ubapha nama number wami like
Phela obviously ngimuhle ne ukuthi indoda mawuthandana nomuntu omekeleli. Ukuthi ukushadila akushadanga lokho kuze move. Angisho like thina amantombazana like is expect ukuthi mawujola nomfana nje waqala ukumashela iskip uzongishada.
Awushiyazi.
Angazi ukhuluma.
Like awuthiyampeka lo muntu uyazi ngithanda ngakhona.
Nanga la.
Angishiyazi ngithanda ngakhona.
Ekala komkhombito wasilo wami. Hayi, ibantsula leli yelivuma.
Uyazi angisho.
It's your boy Late CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not rolling alone today. Ngihamba nabo bani vele ngicela ni introduce.
Hamba no refill mbatha.
Afike mina ngustilo khaya afike.
Stilo khaya. Ninjani bafethu na right?
Simnandi wena.
Yeah, no nami ngiyaphila. I'm so excited ukuthi finally sikwazile ukuthi sibe nani on the show, and they've been like I've been telling you this dog like so many people mfana beba like uStilo uphi mfethu sifuna uStilo mfethu. So I guess abanye bazoba happy ukuthi yeah finally you made it here. And by the way before siqala nje sino sihle lapha ku backstage ne, so ngingamangala like my pop ama question there and there, and also today I'm not rolling alone. There's also another team, uXolani Ndebele, no Yox uyonela, so nje yeah nabo banga buza rende yabo, so nje ningabe surprise yabo.
Yeah, mara ma chance ningasiqilazi ngama question.
Yeah, kollega uthema kollega. Kahle Stilo.
Sure.
Usuka va uthi amthi umuntu nje feel like ungicave nje ngithola ukuthi uStilo kahle location akiva and ukhulele va ngithola.
Feel like mina esayitini lami ngayibeka ngokuthi ngisuka kulama site wase K1 but not phakathi yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, but ngisho ukuthi ukukhulela kwami ngikhulele thina sonke but ngiphile thokoza isikhathini esibhaya. Yeah.
Is it like indawo esondelene?
Yeah, zi close boma 15 minutes nyana ayikho kangako ya close. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And then wena Fifi?
Yeah. Ngikhulele kuphi? Ngikhulele Thokoza mina. Yeah, ngihlala eThokoza. Yeah.
Okay. And then lento ka K and R. R&K kahle. Yeah. Phela sengiyiphambanisa. Yeah, ka R&K. Like what does it mean kahle because siyabona like accounting anisebenzisanga like ama initial name, but nisebenzisa I think ama what's this
singibeke kanje like R&K like lento lesiyenza ukuthi ibe simple like angisho yena uR urefill mina ngokhaya.
Okay.
So yeah, that is why it's R&K asifuna ngokubhala amagama aphelele. Yabo yeah.
Okay.
Injalo nje.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Ngiyakuthola. And then wena uStilo khaya uStilo kahle like is it your real name?
Nickname like igama ngilithole from a primary.
Okay.
Yeah, nickname yami leyo.
Why bakubiza uStilo?
Shuthi ngibeke kanje like ngithemi ngicala ngenza boma grade 5 ela ngicala khona ukuthi ngifaka ama gold yabo. So bekunale out le bayibiza ngoStilo magold. So like mofaka ama gold dala bebakubiza Stilo magold. Mina so ngabona ukuthi fede like abo Stilo magold babhaya. Ngathi mina ngeke sonke siba bo Stilo magold. Thingi bo Stilo bese ngifaka ukhaya. So Stilo khaya. So that vele ngizoba ngithi ngizohluka like kunabo bonke ngibo Stilo khaya ngi1 because abo magold baningi. Yabo. Yeah.
Uhlome unangaka ama gold uthami?
Yo bengenza grade 5 angisakhona ukuthi benginangaka boma 2015. Yeah, 2015.
Uhlome soba noma olele mfethu because mfethu like phela abanye bangaba like nangeke uzihlome lezo zinto lezo phezulu. But remember back then lento yokuhloma like it was like into yokuthi yenziwa like amaginza and stuff. There was that era nje ukuthi yenziwa abantu enhle hloma abantu kahle kahle bayenza izinto ezibhedayo nani so ubani wena mhlambe even wakubhadalela ukuthi uyohloma na and stuff.
Obvious singibeke kanje lento leyo kuhloma singicale lapha yabo intonyana vele like egijima emndenini yabo bo my sister mebakhula bayahloma so nathi silandelayo vele kwamele ukuthi sihlome yabo because nathi like 14 sibona ngathi as if integrant yabo then ke ukubhadalela obvious mali yabazali yabo because bengisasemncane bengakhona ukuphanda yabo intonyana kanjalo.
Okay then ugeleze voucher
like primary yami bengifunda ekhehlekile isethokoza then high school isethokoza like buhle buzila ababhaya bayangazi ke scale yabo
so bo famous from esikoleni
wabe ngimbidla yo ngimbidla esikolweni yo kakhulu kuye mina like ngomswengo vele isikolo sonke vele bengisiphethe bayazi nabo abaningi hayi ukuthi ngiyabashashana laba babukela lapha emakamereni like ni comment lapha bangaziyo bazokutshela bayazi nabo sure.
Then Ukhaya is it your real name Ukhaya?
Like mina nguKhaya Elihle but bangibiza ngoKhaya injalo uthi
Okay and then when Fifi ukhula ngaphansi kwesandla sakabani and ukhula nabo bani like do you have siblings like
mina ngikhuliswa babami.
Okay
sahlala eWindmill Park then ngasuka vele ngeza la eThokoza this year ngahlala la vele eThokoza like nginabo bosisi kodwa akusabo sisi like gazi lami sikhule sonke kodwa.
Okay then ukhula nobani khona la eThokoza? Ukhula phansi kwesandla sakabani?
Ngikhula phasi ngihula ka Tlasa Letsola ntatwa wakhe.
Okay so move naye from that side neza ngapha?
No ngisuke that side ngaya kugogo ngahlala nogogo.
Okay and nina nihlangane kanjani?
Lento le kanje shuthi uFifi since ngimcaba vele from iThokoza yabo then ke ngadecide ukuthi but bengingazi ukuthi ngamthola kanjani ngambona vele ku Facebook ngamshayela ngerequest vele accept situkutuku ngibona ngathi seka ngifollow boma kubonje Instagram
kana ko kikamatha ngabo 4
then ke mekaceda ke kungifollowa ngabona ngathala ishance yami ngiyamngena vele sacala sakhuluma ku Facebook sa exchange ama number sakhuluma ku WhatsApp then ke sahlanganisa meetup sahlangana vele futhi semtebe kusebusuku ne ngafika kuyebusuku vele ngemoto ngazomchecka vele semtebe ngakhuluma naye waba lento lokuthi like akangithathele ekhanda but then angizange ngagive up yokata ngangifuni ngingaboni nje basesijula kahle
usho ukuthi ukufaka kumatrela uthemba
yo kusana ukuthi ngimshayisha ngithi mfethu zokala hlangana ethi how king abo 4 umuntu abali phone angezi avali phone umuntu ngabo 4 ngithi ngiyafona avula iphone maybe ngabo 10 ethi sorry yo bengilele ngibone ngithiwa ethi boma next week same thing yabo but angizange ngagive up ngimphethe nani yabona nimphethe
So what was happening like when at first mhlambe you didn't see him like ukuthi umuntu ongaba ku relationship naye? What was happening even at the time umfollower like what was the whole initial plan like ukuthi
like akuratsiba hore wo stilo like ma black Italian but ba bankes like the bad boys ne so na like nixamunke lehlong and I never thought hore ke nka jola le mshimana tshwana le like iskhothana yabo so nakhaya nani kusamrato akubatle lejutsa maka nangibora like nang ba ga nisicefe yo nana le stina so wa itsela hore re ntse re bua vele atla njengoba atsho go latla ga bua vele ka cena vele like ke bana le interest yaba the other day ke le sekolong re plan no re tlotswa re ho ninja total ninja ka re ke nna planang ka nako ke msandela di screenshots tsa re tla re tsamaye
apukamba mang umuntu
Friday ka tima phone a re ka go yana re sekolong vele ke attend imagine ka Friday then guy antsang text mo ka tima phone nang tina then hena be Saturday ka ya vele ho yena ka kopana ka qala mo he o bana le interest yena lang chaza shem qalong chaza mama ka like asintshotsa ka khotsane
Like, is it maybe because of ikhothane besidumeng into engekho right?
Not really.
What was the whole reason why wonga?
Hayi. Ukhaya. Hayi.
Sabukhetheka ngisho yamazi sabukhetheka. Shilo ukuthi maybe mina ngizomhetha.
So some playboys for.
Eh.
Oh, aish. Okay. Then yin le it developile like uzofika to an extent oba like yo I think like I'm falling in love with him. What changed? Wena mawubheka like obviously angithi kunento yokuthi bewungamfuni.
Hayi shemu. Angazi. Angifuni ukutshela bang maybe ungele enyangeni. Mara ngazi shemu because like ngivuke like sengimthanda ukhaya.
Chamelo chaza
Wenzeni?
Chamelo chaza wenzeni njalo. Wenzeni mfethu?
Angazi yini mara yo vele ngamthanda.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Wenzeni?
Hayi. Hayi kwenzeki.
Umdlela umlomo omnandi.
Hayi. Ngicabanga kanjalo yena but angeke.
Yeah ne.
Hayi.
Because naye ngimtshela ukuthi angeke mina ngijole nawe.
Bomtshela like
Was kahle.
Unamanga beka
Wazi
ayizisa
kahle.
lemuntu.
Uyazi
Lo
naye.
akuthiya ngikutshela ngibuyele emuva like saringa ne. Njengoba ngitshela ukuthi besikhuluma efonini. Tonyana ukuthi vele ukele yabona promise ukuthi hayi izinto ngathi zahlangana nyana. Angitshele vele like ngimtshele le ngimthanda ngakhona naye angitshele. Situkutuku umuntu kusasa mina sengiqhubeka la sigcine khona emuva. Yena akasekho la. Shukuthi mina izolo like ngikhuluma ngiyi1. Njengoba yena bekangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda. Beka manasho nje kuphela phusha inkulumo otherwise akasekho la. Yabo. So mina indaba yakhe nje eish yangipi stress kakhulu. La ngokutshela ukuthi yo khona la maybe ngambhalela ama message ayi20 angaphenduli. Oh. Ngathi mengiphuma estradini ngabonisa ama outcome. Ayivele lezi zami zalahana ke yabo. Ngibonisa ama chance lo mntana lo kungukuthi vele zimazele esikoleni vele la bekafunda khona la funda khona manje. Ngawubonisa ama chance bhekana. Lo mntana uthi kanje na kanje na kanje. Ama chance ayafunda khona le message lesekugcineni le elahisa amajita. Bafunde mebafika ekugcineni ila ngimtshela khona ukuthi hayi mfethu phela nami ngumuntu ngiyakhathala kunini. Hayi anabela ukelo uyabona ukuthi hayi manje sekuyisona aphendule. Amekusuka lapho ke ukuya kanje. Hayi katanga na chance bengimhlelela intamini. Yabo bengenza make sure ukuthi vele ngiyambamba. Ngoba naku kuvele namanje ngimbambile. And angimtshelile na since mina once sajola sihlukana.
Ayo.
Angilahleki mina.
yeah.
Hayi angilahleki.
Awulahleki.
Hayi. Angilahleki mina serious.
Yeah ne.
Ngendlela eright. Hayi ukuthi content ngizomenza yona ngix.
Ngiyathola.
Ngoba nawe usanokusikwatisa yabona mesonke. Hayi wena ngisakuthandi. Maybe ithola ukuthi bomba kudlula bomba ilanganyana. Sasa seka ngishanga amahaka ngitshela diwe ngithanda ngakhona yebo. Angilahleki. Yabo ni out secret.
Yeah. When I in Feda tell me into like boyincanywa ngaye and what was so different from other girls cuz amfethu isikhothane like uDumile we would have went for girls mhlambe ama I wouldn't say I'm an influencer but people mhlambe who are big also on the internet mhlambe also feel like ukuthi mhlambe bazogaya competition whatsoever but nje you just decided to you know what I mina ngizoyela la ngiyela khona I would not look at the numbers and look at all these things. I'll just focus on like ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe ubuke kanjani or mhlawumbe ngendlela ebeyiphatha ngayo like yini lento attracta kuye Fedi.
Yabo ngacama manga like ezinye izinto notazenzeka ngenye indlela because like yena njoba ngisho ukuthi bekumuntu engimaziyo but then like yena abantu bayamazi but ngeke ngithi popular yabo ngaleyo ndlela but then izinto zenzeka ngenye indlela ngizithole nami like sengikuye mfethu ukuthi kanjani angazi yabo
because indlela nelimuthi nina now
isekazini le isekazini yabo yonke into nota yenzeka ngesikhathi sayo should maybe ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ngicalile kuma approach ngaleso sikhathi bese kuyisikhathi ukuthi vele mina naye sibe together yabo ayikhenye because vele babaya bogela ngaphandle but then ngilanga khetha yena na uyazi awuyazi ngayo.
So you mentioned ukuthi now Bora like he would maybe what is it that he was doing the big Bora he was texting too much he was calling
Bekanesicefe yo.
Bekenzani yini lento le bongayithandi ngaye at that time.
Angeke ngize ngisho bese ukuthi yini kodwa like ukungitexta kakhulu and mina ngokwazi kwami bengazi ukuthi kuumuntu wamantombazana yabo so bengithi ayilo mfana lona ufuna ukuzodlala nami ufuna ukungenza ivictim yalabantu laba bekadlala ngabo yabo ungenza ibhola lakhe so ilento leyo nje baka mina ekhaya
So kunthatha isikhathi singakanani ukuthi like from the time approacher uzumthole bese kudlula isikhathi singakanani lokuzama uthema
yo sakhumbula icrime isikhathi singakanani but ayiphelanga imanti
ayiphelile but yo
she's mega phelile imanti angazi 1 month because mina because mina like lewe ngicabanga khona like njoba vele since ngikhulu mina ukuthi ngishela intombazane 2 days iningi langeli one is enough sure
1 day awuthemba
kahle mina like eqaleni bengingashiyeli besibonisana nentombazane something to say iqala lento yabo so for yena yonke ay tough time kakhulu yabo
so ushuthi yena like she was the first girl guy like tough time ever kubo girl kwabashela before
kuphela the rest abesibonisana bayazi
bakhona abanye mhlawumbe wabashela batrayisa then wafila like utsalo uyahlanya uyazi uthini yamiyeka nokumiyeka nje
njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi mina like ugirl angimshiyeli sabonisana besiqala sibonisana sure mesicala sibonisana ngathi into yethu like asiboni ngelihleli one yakuyeka sometime sekuzoba uwo zongilandela enemo songilandela zobe sengiphumile ku yabo langeli one nje kuphela ay 2 days iningi baba baba phela bochiri ngeke siluke sincingana nawo u1
hayi
baba bochiri la ngapha yabo njalo
ayakuthola uthama so like right now ngicabanga ukuthi into indlela obobona ngayo Fifi it has changed ngendlela obona ngayo before so now yini soyithanda about him now
mbuzo omuhle lo mbuzo omuhle
like impatho yakhe
mane
ayena kwazi shemu ukuphathana kahle shemu and umuntu okhulumayo ukhaya makaninkingi akavele nje yabo so bona ngumuntu nje nawo sakhama hayi umuntu obrandena
ushuthi kuma relationship ondlule kuwo like would you say this one it is the one
it is
okay
kiyona
why do you say that Dean like is it akhona mhlawumbe ama experiences that you should be
like
aware of
kula relationship engike ngaba ku akaze like ngajabula ni because like it's either ngithola umuntu obsessed ngalendlela ukuthi ni angikhona ukuba nabangani or umuntu like abusive
have you ever been in a like abusive relationship
bekwenzekani lapho
yo
trap
yo
bekwenzakala
yabona lezi bezimtrap amele ngizibambe 1 by 1 angiphiliste ngizibambe 1 by 1
so yini belidela like lento leyo like cause manje angeke umuntu avele like akubeka isandla
phela obvious ngimuhla ne and mina ngumuntu othini mangihamba vele abafana bayang-approacha and mabang-approacha and abanye baba kumele ngizube rude kwabanye abantu sa-exchange nama-tens kube into ukuthi bamtshele ke ukuthi sibone lesi sakho in eza umfana kwatile la azongilwisa ukuthi hayi wena nalo uyazi iyazi
like uyamtshena uma ukhona abakushelayo
okay
uyangitshela ubaphana ama number wami like lezi message texta zitshela ukuthi sikhuluma naye kanti sikhuluma naye yabona meqala ithi hello la ngithi hello
so
nami ngishabo hello what's what yabona lezi zinto zabochiri
manje shela wena no
azazi manje ngizilimaza ukuthi ziyashela ngisitshela ukuthi bheka ke ngomile ngifuna imali ecold drink kanjani njani yazazi izinto sithanda ukuimpress zithi boma 500 ngisithathele imali ngesnack ngizilimaza
ne
angizilimaza straight kunani abafazini babantu
ne
madoda
so what would you Fifi, I want us like to educate people lane ingithachile the topic yokuthi you've been in an abusive relationship so to someone now like oku abusive relationship what would you say like cause abanye uthola ukuthi umuntu uyahlala kuloko kunjalo yabo abekezela athi no lo muntu lona ngiyamthanda
never settle for less like obona umuntu otlaka like unjani wele uphume kuyi ngcamane angisho like thina amantombazana rena le mentality hore ha utlotswa maybe homeshement like re khaya one shapane then kitso ho yena tshomtsa ka ditsebe like khaya ona le chelete then ke be like na guys kuyajoka hayi usixayela wena abanye abantu ngisho bahlaliswe ilento leyo ukuthi unemali ugayi uyangiprovide and stuff then masophuma kuye lana bathi we slim nanani so ungabocabanga like ungathatha inkulumo zabantu usifake ekhanda yeah like inhliziyo yakho mayithi yakwa itshwala itswa never settle for less
yeah ne I know ngiyacabanga osekhaya uzwile uzwe kahle okay and then since now like you guys have been trending it was like the whole plan ukuthi in publicize a relationship like ibe
no like lento ka RNK ne ngamtshela ukhaya ngathi how about sivule I TikTok account then ukhaya wathi asuyivula mara isikhathi masiya yabo angisakhumbuli sebudebe kwenzakalani ukhaya wayivula sakangibonisa ukuthi bheka ke mfethu ngivulile vele singaposti nix kuye vele siqala ukuposta vele ama video nyana ayi2 ay beka kahle account then the other day ukhaya ngikhaphe esikolweni athatha ivideo ukhaya ayinayo ukhaya lapha ngathi ubaba omdala ungikhulumisa hayi kule video ay okay sifike esikolweni Fede ayukhaya ngimangele wenzani ukuthatha ivideo lapho ngibhizi ngipaka amalona mina ama pencil case nani khaya vele uyasho ukuthi hey baba umuntu kababhingi ukhuluma nomngani
wakho nesisikhathi
okay fine ngihamba yibo bathi umuntu wakupostile like esikolweni yabo hayibo abo member ngibhekile hayibo umuntu wakupostile hey ngitshola ne taxi driver hey bathu taxi driver and mina manje ne ifone yami angiconnect esikolweni ifuna idatha vele or iWi-Fi endlini angazi niksi mina ukuthi kupostweni abantu like angiboni like abantu bangibheka yona ngilona inaba ngifike after school ngibuyele ekhaya ngitshela ukuthi upost into kanje nakanje ama comments like ngaleso sikhathi bewasese right hawo ayi sharp yo ekseni kwakhona yo
video sekigijimile fast
1 million views sithola ama 1 million views vele then again ngimtshela ukhaya ngithi ayimfethu delete yo because mina like ama comment akhona zanga ngijabulise vele yeah
ngijabulanga bangibiza nge-taxi driver ngijabula
it was like your first video that video or you guys have been posting videos but like trend them more than lamanye ama video
already kule account leyo besinama video ayi2 akhona ama video akhona maybe bewagijima kubo boma ngizothini
mara 2 something
yeah then leya ngathi mingiposta vele mengicede ukumbeka esikoleni I think ngambeka ngabo half 6 or 7 somewhere lapho mengifika endlini ngabo I think ngifika ngabo half past 7 or 8 ngene empedeni ngatonsa ifone vele ngaposta ngalala ngathi ngavuka ngabo 12 mengivuka behamba kubo boma 120k lapho 120k viewers ayi kwaba ukuthi vele isikhathi saqhubeka ngalala kusasa kwakhona vele sathi mesivuka vele kusasa behamba kumitha ya ngabona la ngathi abona la ila account vele say on call siyaqala manje vele siyaqhilasa yeah saposta vele wonke lama video la since soloko siwaposta wonke ashanga ama meter ayiki video ngaphansi kwa meter then ke khona la siwaposta I think izolo la wahamba kubo 600k viewers the rest ama million kuphela yabo yeah
so abantu bayithanda lento yomjola ne
yeah bayithanda just ukuthi ngingala kuma TikTok yabona kuma Facebook abanye bakhuluma izinto ezingekho grand yabo yeah otherwise when grand yona
but okay Mfaka I think when like you are more aware of things that happens ku media even now ama comment nana umfakile ugele stars ukuthi okay like mhlambe ngaba nezinto ezingenzakala yabo so we need to can entertain such thing and into engiyithanda ngani and ngifuna ningitshela ukuthi why you guys are doing this phela amanye ama video noenza replying on a certain comment
sure
that person osuka commentile senayithatha lento leyo angisayithatha in a negative way but niyamphendula ngayi video
njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi boma izolo sipostile khona le konje thini Uyithi simlindile emares but balinde angisho matric
Yeah.
but bamlindile emares mina ngayizami ngachecka la ku TikTok khona le ngoma le ka Scott
Yeah.
ethi noma ungangibheka ngeke ungithole sengithathiwe ngathi sebenzisa le sound sayithatha saphenduka le ya ukuthi noma ingambheka ngeke imthole sengimthathile mina yebo yeah kanjalo.
Speaking of that, what's your plan? Like, do you plan on going to varsity vele? Hlampe vele bakulindile le.
Yeah.
Yeah, iplan yami ukuthi vele ngiyevarsity. Yeah.
Okay.
Even though mangayi college nayo sase right.
Yeah, ne.
Mm.
Like, in hlampe office ukuba yiyo hlampe if I may ask nje, or something that would
Supply
excite you.
management yini konje supply management lema logistics. Yeah.
Okay. And then when out here, like, what happened? Did you like completed school? What happened there? Did you after you completed, like, did
Yeah.
you further your studies? What did you do? Like, what happened there?
Athi ngicale kanje matric ngishayile ngaphasa current.
Yeah, sure.
But then mina vele like nama chance ayazi from scale ukuthi hayi mina ngihlezi ngibatshela ukuthi noma bathi ngiyaqeda esikoleni hayi ukuthi manje ngifuna ukuchubeka yabo ngiphambili hayi ngigrene mina ngesikole yabo yeah ngimnandi fit yonke into yami ngicedile scale angifuni ukuchubeka mina.
Okay. Ngiyathola.
Yeah.
And since like senibonile ukuthi kwenzakalani na trend amanye it's positive amanye it's negative, like how is it like mhlawumbe ukupublicize a relationship ukuthi abantu bayazi? Do you feel like abanye, because abanye they would say people baba entitled to a relationship manje, they can say whatever or try to control you, social media and stuff? How is it like? How is the experience like?
Mina
between-
fele sayitini lami leyo ngayibeka ngakhona nina uyazi fifi ngihlezi ngumtshela njengoba ngisho ukuthi abanye ba comment agrand abanye bakhuluma like umathanda which is like yena lezi zinto lezo ezikanje akasijwayelanga maybe zingamuyisa umoya ukuthi maybe into yethu singasupposed kanjalo but then ekugcineni asenzela abantu senzela thina mesipost hayi ukuthi sifuna ukubonisa abobani ukuthi thina siyenzani senzela thina nje kuphela so like inkulumo zohlezi zikhona angazi yena sayitini lakho ibona kanjani yabo because abantu belayo
inkinga mina ngijwayelanga like lento yama social media ne like ibhlungu vele because mangibheka lama comments abanye bathi ubonile bathini lapha ya ubonile bathini
noma kuthiwa
Yeah.
mhlawumbe wena ungawachekanga but khona uzoba like ubonile ukuthi bebathini manje.
yeah so
sekasaba nokuyemall icabanga mesami emotweni uyasala saba abantu into encane liyakumelanga saba abantu.
Dina school, and tell me about the school now. Ichinche kanjani like lifestyle yakho nabangani like kwenzakalani?
yo abangani ngicela ngabangani abangani bavele bashintsha shame like omunye umngani seka like seka kunabanye ngisho ema classmateini abanye bayakukhuluma ayilona bheka lona in umngani like saka yafakaza lapha sengitshelwa umunye ukuthi hayi umngani wakho bekathi yabo so nalento leyo futhi ngayenza mina ngathazi nithi ngivele ngiphume ebanganini esikolweni banginake kakhulu futhi abothisha yabo ya ma academics wami banake kakhulu ukuthi since vele ngitrenda kanje like ngiphusha kanjani yabo ngapha abantwana besikole sicela ukushuta nani so naleyo nje
So iselapha esikoleni.
yo
Mawungena ngisicela isithombe.
and I mean angithandi
And then konje like awukazi mhlambe wa came across a situation ukuthi now even mhlambe no seyothile now he's trying his way or something, because now abonye uzoba like hey we are trend yeah
his way
like mhlambe uthole seka reactor ngendlela nje like unusual.
bajabulile abose bami like like kuyele uprincipal uye vele wangibiza officeini
Okay.
sahamba vele mangifika lapha ya vele kune deputy principal vele yo like umfana indoda kimona then uprincipal wethu vele umfazi yabo then lo vele uprincipal akayithandi lento leyo ukuthi siposte ngeuniform ayi leyo vele deputy amtshela vele athi angibulalanga umuntu ngizoposta mina emares long like nasesikolweni ngiqhuba kahle lokulungile unga affect ama academics wami lungile.
So do you feel like now there's a lot of pressure oyithola even from abo teacher nasendlini like what's going on?
endlini nayi bayazi because ngivele ngahlala phansi nabo ngaba explainele ukuthi kuso yabo hayi vele esikolweni yo usathuthi awuzomitha lo khayizomfaka umntwana usathi ini yabo kuningi yo like namanje maybe abantu saba undlula maybe bayenza igroup socabanga ukuthi bakhuluma ngayo maybe abakhulumi ngawe so it's hard yo
yeah ne but I affect in any way this thing like ukuthi ubona abantu ba react ngalendlela le
hayi mina nginandaba hayi
okay but let me tell you something social media as much as you guys are getting more viewers and stuff that's love to be honest with you it's love but now there'll be people abazozama ukuthi ba add izinto ezinegative towards lento le because abanye abantu they don't want a good thing going up or iba successful abayifuni lento le yangithola so as much as nibona ukuthi it's love at the end of the day ukuthi abantu baloko ba share ba repost umuntu uyayithanda phela ngeke repost into ongayithanda there's no way angeke noma ungayabi there is no way
ubana ngisasha bo sorry for ukuphazamisa fana nalaba like aba comment like izinto ezibhedayo batha Ntombazana emncane kanje uJolani nosomatekisi mina ngiyajabula mina mebasho kanje because ila like yabona mebaphikisana ku comment section bayabizana ama views ayenzani ayakhuphuka bese kuba busy baxabana lapha bayabizana obegcineni abangaziyo nawe uyazi ukuthi mina ngisungusomatekisi umuntu onomali so lokho maba busy somatekisi wathi ngijabulile uthi yami yabo ngijabulile angina flop because yabona njoba siza la mesicala siphuma vele sipolitile yabo mesicala siphuma vele gcwele lapha eGasilami ngaphandle bayahlanye bashama amafleti somatekisi ngiphamisa isandla ngoba ngiyazazi ukuthi mina ngisungusomatekisi just ukuthi sekuyinto nje ukuthi bayadlala then angichest yabo injalo thiyami
okay ngiqala nini ukujola
this year
into
I think no in about 4 months no close to 5
yes qale April
hey bafet already saying a trend
abonakala ukuthi lento asifusti iyayenzeka
ne
asifusti vele
so manibheka yini le abantu abayithandayo ngani
sengibona
mina ngokuya kwami ukuthi like angisho yazi abanye abantu bacommit ama suicide mabathola ama comment afana nalawo siwathola yithini abanye bayayeka ukuposta abanye bayadelete yabo so thina silokhu siyaqhubeka ilento engicabangayo ukuthi bayayithanda
ne regardless ukuthi bathumela ama negative comment but still you chose to ukuthi no reply most of one nenza ama video rather than ukuthi mhlawumbe ngcine seniya because abantu bayanthanda ku social media
yo blind ukakhulu futhi TikTok
it's worse it's worse what's the highest video lapha and I think it's over 8 million ne
I think it's 8.5
million views
8.5
ayina nonyaka ni postile lapha
amaviki
I'm sure nila 2 days
athina senza kakhulu imitha sayishaya ngelanga baba mitha senza kakhulu
wow and then khona this comment eyayilapha okay let me first start there how old are you my dog
I'm now 21 Fade
okay and then my sister how old
18.
are you 18 okay there was this comment the reason I'm asking that on behalf of the audience or viewers and there was this comment ukuthi I think they would like to hear now ukuthi does like dating a school girl not feel illegal umdala because I think mhlambe this is the platform where mhlambe omunye ngamtshela ukuthi no but at the end of the day it's nothing like that because abantu bazo comment izinto abayisho you see when how did that make you felt and how do you respond to such a thing
ndiyakhona feel ayina ras washukhele ukuthi ayina cheat mamela ke ayina cheat yabona into leyo into engayisho vele sebazo like yabona maybe for example njengama agents kanje njoba khona awasicavi yabo but then mawahlangana nathi estradini asitoke kanje ngeke asho ukuthi maybe umntana esikole maybe angasho ukuthi intanga yami sebazoringa like izinto ezi otherwise because ugcoke uniform kuba ngathi illegal but then ekugcineni umjolo nezinto zesikole akusizinto ezihlanganayo ukuthi esikoleni wena ujola nobani onangaki lento leyo ayihlangani nomthetho yabo just ukuthi nje sebamane bayakhuluma and futhi mina angina flop ngalokho
Una respond uthini like would you say vele ukuthi I feel like umuntu mina ngenza noma yini ayithandayo
yeah injalo
and it's so crazy ukuthi mangabe kuuchair ejola nomjito omncane it's okay umuntu ozojudge umjito ukuthi why ujola nochair omdala
yeah injalo
but if it's the opposite now mhlawumbe umjita futhi ejola nomntana omncane still izo blame umjita so I feel like we're always this always abajita abo chair nje they always get the victim part bona in most cases nje so how would you respond like to such a thing like can you say mhlawumbe ukuthi abantu they can tell you what to do with your life because it's like now they're trying to be controlling
mina silongo mina abazali bambayi approve lento le akulungile like abantu abanyenzeli nix so ukuthi bathini hayi
abanye bebathi ngina 35
manje ngoba bathi futhi akekho umfazi esikoleni kanti bosofuna ukumenza umfazi yini le comment isuka
angisho lento le ukuthi akekho umfazi esikoleni but like angisho like for example ngibona namanje bekagcokela amacici yila amacici futhi alethi inkulumo yabo
yeah
bathi hayi umntana esikole ogqoka amacici zenza umfazi wathi akekho umfazi esikoleni wathi
yeah
like into yesikolo nabo nomfazi like ezinye izinto ezingahlangani lezo yabo izinto ezingahlangani so like njengoba ngisho ukuthi vele kuma TikTok nakuphi abantu bakhuluma noma yini abayithandayo ngedatha labo nangamafoni wabo ngesikhathi sabo because mina ngisho ukuthi akukho la ngibhale khona ukuthi umfazi wami ngithe imama bona into ebahluphayo labo abanye bathi kuba ucommentile wathi inana manje ngiyabona ukuthi sekukhona nenana manje futhi uyayibona into le abantu bakhuluma kuphela mfethu yabo yeah abakhuluma kuphela abantu mfethu cabanga sengibonisa amajita emergency nalinana lami hayi make sense hayi make sense
yeah le
aziyakhala yo aziyakhala blind
so wena kwi previous relationship yakho kwenzekile
uthiyami eish obvious like okay thingibekela nginomntana
okay
yeah mina like noma umntana nami sijolile sayenza izinto but then uyazi yonke into mfethu ayikho into maybe ezophila like ungona phakathi khona la izinto siphelela khona so mina nayi like sijolile kwayenzeka inkinga but lezo angifuni ukusikhuluma la yeah into engingayishileyo kuphela yabo because yo it's personal
then nahlukana from then
yeah sahlukana
so uhlala nomntwana wakho noma ukumama
umntana wami uhlala kubo umntana yeah
lento lena yazi mfethu into ebengisafisa ukuthi sikhulume ngayo this thing I feel like
leso khuluma ngayo ngama jinx
yeah
okay
yeah yeah ngayikhuluma
kanjani ukuthi yena une-answer ukuthi yenziwa yini kanjani
no like there's this thing ane lento yamajet ukuthi most of ama-gens ane uthola ukuthi like let's be honest like abantu abaku-age yethu abanabantwana most of bona abasazwana nama-partners wabo and that thing it feels like it's a curse now because like it happens now and again manicabanga yenziwa yini lento le
mina like for ngikhulumela iside lami kuya ngabantu mfethu yabo because sometimes ungajola nomuntu izinto maybe lokho niyaxabana ayi like ngathini ngeke into uyifixe kabhaya mfethu lokhu busy yayifixa elungisa kanjalo imosheko yafixa kanjalo mfethu uphinda into e1 kufanele ukuthi uphinda like imistake e1 kabhaya so dunyani kanjalo ingcono vele niyekele yabo umunye thatha side like as long no two ekugcineni nizoba grand ayikhinking yeah uya ngumuntu mfethu because mesingabantu asifani maybe wena side lakho into yakho maybe ningalokho busy ngixabana but ubelieve ukuthi uloku ilungisa but mina ngikubona kwami ngibona ngathi hayi ngiloko ngilungisa izomosheka futhi ngilungisa futhi sikhathi savaya mfethu
yeah nalo business into e1
and uthola ukuthi maybe focus yakomjolo kune life mfethu kumele uyibheke side yabo yeah egcineni because umjolo mfethu into vele angeke vele ube shimane vele but egcineni kumele ujole but now isayidini kwamele ube ne life oyenzayo oba vele ngajola nomntana abantu uthola ukuthi maybe asithi sengihlala naye ayikho income ingenayo sophila ngani yabo mina ngijabulela ukuthi siyajola nje kuphela kumnandi kumele sidla ngisho sesihlala sithu kumele sidle endlini kumele sigqoke siyenze zonke izinto plus yena uyesu yesigela isipani sitrans kumele sifaka ama petrol so it's a tough malama petrol yabo so nje mfethu fix into e1 kabhaya akusiyo mfethu khona vele into vele ngeke umuntu ukuthi ngiqabana kayi1 bese senihlukene kanjalo sho ukuthi vele into yeni bengekho kwamele maybe like ihluleke maybe kabhaya nilungisa but ekugcineni na umuntu yakhathala ni move on njalo.
Okay. And then Fifi, let's go back to you. Goma previous relationship work, was there ever a point where you felt like you know what, I will never ever date again because of this and that, and what changed that whole thing?
Hayi mina shema ngifuna ukuqamba amanga le mfana bekangidina yo. Like bese ngiphume yabona umuntu uphume kuye maka ukwazi ukuthi like uphume kuye maka wazi ukuthi akuphendule kanjani. Yabo. Uphume kuye maka wazi ukuthi mawuphuma kuye uzomtshela kanjani ukuthi ayimfethu. I mean asengright ngawo yabo. Because mawuthi uyamtshela uyakushaya umuntu uyakuthuka kenzani yabo. So like big toxic relationship it's been a drama nje.
But they also say as ukuthi umuntu mayakuthanda. I don't know how true is this.
Abantu
uyekuthanda.
But mekakushaya ukuthi uyakuthanda. Ya vela amanye amantombazane angixolile but amabhara. Awuthi mekushaya ila ubona khona ukuthi yo Sibusisi uyangithanda because uyangishaya. Yabo njalo. Yabona maybe ithola ukuthi khona singibeke like khona amantombazane achithayo.
Yeah.
Ugeli ushanga ama outside 2. Le one ayimshayi. Le iyamshaya. Mekaxabana nale awuniyabhora wena kubiza ngamagama wathi.
Yeah.
Wena uyabhora because wenzani awumshayi. Uya kulosibuda. Losibuda ayamboxa ke. One way yamshaya lemshayayo ile yabona kahle ukuthi le yangithanda. So lokuthi mebukela uphumile mina like angigroove yabo. So ukela meka ngathi uyegroove. Mina ngiyambuza vela ama question apha. Mfethu uyakuphi nobani kanjani njani. So ezinye ukela uthola ukuthi uyegroove izomiyeka vayi. Iyazi ukuthi izomlandela mayifika lapha. Hayi. Kuba manzi phansi. Yamboxa and ukela mebamshaya kanje bazomtshela abangani ukuthi mfethu uvula icase. Ngeke alivula icase. Umuntu wami uyangithanda. Vele ubona ukuthi lo hayi indaba yakhe ayikho. So into nyane kanjalo mina izangishinga ntanga.
Awusole Fifi mhlawumbe ukuthi usokedlisiwe lo.
Hayi sometimes guys yetwa kilerato vele straight.
Serious?
Yeah, yenza ukuthi maybe like sukumthanda lo muntu lo kube nale gama lithi ukubekezela. Yabo. Akukho ukudlula ukubekezela. So like sinaleyo mentality ukuthi hayi chomi ayiyonto ufita ngobekezela uyawurada mshimani o kuthengela ama flower uyakuthanda lapho kushaya
mara ukubekezela sometimes akukho guarantee hayi ngicela ukubuza nini ama chance niyani ngayibekezelela intombazane like intombazane ekudelelayo wena ungayibekezelela kuwe nje ntanga
hayi
ayihambe kuwe
yabo
isebenzi kanjalo
yabo like intombazane like edelelayo iyafana nomjita okushayayo because lo muntu lo like akakuhloniphi yabo ngeke umuntu uthi like ngeke kufana nokuthi ngeke uthi umuntu uyamthanda kodwa uyamshaya angisho umthanda mele uhlale naye phansi nibonisane ekugcineni siyaphila sonke singabantu akekho umuntu perfect but ukumbeka isandla kusindlela ukumbonisa indlela eright so nje umuntu nje ukhuluma naye kuphela le ukuthi manje mele uzumshaye lapho ubonisa ubushimane straight ubushimane straight because momshaya sometimes indlela maybe ukuthi umsabisi ukuthi noma ngayenza something wrong ukuthi acabanga wena kuqala yabo ukuthi ngayenza into wrong usibuda uzongibamba angishaye yabo noma uthola ukuthi uzama ukukhuluma namanye ama out sakayasaba manje because wena uzomshaya but then out yakho me relaxile noma ungaxoxa namanye ama out akuna flop ngoba uyazi ukuthi mfethu umuntu wakho uzobathembakela uzobuya kutshela ukuthi uyazi benginabo sibanibani bathi kanje nakanje bese nakuphendula uyakuphendula ngakhona indaba iphela ayikuthi lo cala maybe sebayakubulisa sekashintshile ebusweni hayi ayispan nje umuntu angayitshela amanye ama out nalawa abhekelele ukuthi umuntu wakho momthanda mfethu makana ama flop hlala naye phansi ukhulume nje kuphela hayi ukuthi umuntu nje mele uzumshaye ayispan ayispan because mina umama wami like ukhe wangitshela ukuthi yabona umuntu momthanda uthi yami noma bathi like oh like umuntu mobona ngathi into yena ayisalungi unokuthi umshaye ngcono umyekele yabo ya bazombona phambili abantu injalo injalo mfowethu.
So kulama exes lawo ube nawo ayikho ezama ukutexta now because of yabona so ya trenda like social media seyakuthanda and stuff like etc.
Ukhona yini?
Okay.
Yeah, bakhona. And then nakhona yo, nakhona like mabangitshela like mabazongitext. Still ukujolela content. Phuma kuye. Like ufuna ukukusebenzisa nje for ukuthi yena like abe popular more yabo. Yeah, ngibe like hey. So kusho ukuthi kwamele ngibuyele kubo phela.
Wena uyibona kanjani wena?
Ayikho lento leyo.
Mane?
Yeah. Angisho bona bahlulekile. The time ngibanika ichance. Basihlulekela vele. So
mina sengibabonisa ama corrections sebayabhifa bayabhifa manje.
But is it true vele ukuthi amantombazana like most of them actually influence from abangani?
Yeah.
Now do you take such
mina ngamane like ukhuluma umuntu wami uyazi nawe ekhaya wakhuluma umuntu wami amasimba friendship yaphela ngamane nithi mina ngisilima sabafana nani ngamane nisho kanjalo kunokuthi ukhuluma umuntu wami kabi ungitshela ukuthi hayi choma ekhaya akufanele ukhaya isikhothani nabo vele abangani abanjalo mina
bake bakutshela lento
yeah bathu ukhaya isikhothani phuma kuye bekajola nobani ngithe mina nalabo bekajola nabo ngihlangene nabo.
And laba bakhuluma inkulumo sometimes abakele ba dangerous laba bakhuluma kabi ilaba bakumfunayo mara bangifuna amagala side and manje mina ngibafuni ngifuna yena noma bangathina mina nginandaba yabo yabanjalo abangani umuntu ekumoshela into enhle just because nawe uyayifuna kodwa akayithuli so bona ukuthi ngona ibhidlize noyithuni ifani yabo injalo yabo because angisho bayacabanga ukuthi nje bangitshola no Fifi kanje obvious ngizomphatha grand bona ama outwaba ngeke abaphathe leyo mina uFifi ngimphatha ngakhona because like abanye abo cherry la ngaphandle bajolela indlala
kuna bocheka bajo
ekhaya
iqiniso mara phela sometimes abanye abo cherry mfisi bakuthanda just because una something yabo mina uFifi like ngizokutshela ivara noma ngana fokol uhleza nami yabo yena akangidemand izinto akangifuni nix since saqala ukujola mina ngikhumbula uFifi angicela ukuthi ikhaya ngenzele iningani yabo because abanye abo cherry mfethu bajolela indlala umuntu uzokuthanda because unani yabo injalo so abantu abafani mfethu
uyakholelwa kulento ayishoyo but
mara
it happens
sometimes
out there
kenzeka
but sometimes yini
mara sometimes it's not like amantombazana ajolela indlala ekhaya
inkinga kusuke kuyini
ngifuna ukuyilungisa lapho
njalo iqiniso mina ngizokhuluma amaqiniso la kuphela
phela abanye like ukusuka ngokuthi mina ngibelivela ukuthi ne angimceli vele nikusumina ekhaya and ngeke ngize ngithi ekhaya yo ngifuna ini yena uzoyithenga ngoba athanda angisho nginaba abazali bazoyenza bona
i-girlfriend allowance nyana
nix obvious mfethu like ezinye izinto vele like njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi akangicula ifokol maybe ama allowance la ngamgaya vele kungukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi nami uyazi nami bengihlanganisile nyana ngimgaya ikhathi lakhe ngiyamgaya nje ikhathi kuphela yabo hayi ukuthi manje maybe izinto ngimenzela maybe ngathi just because I must akusi must mengi grand naye kwamela be grand mengekho grand we understand injalo kuphela yabo.
Okay usasekuloko nje uyakholela kulento yokuthi because manje I feel like there's a misconception kulento yokuthi mele umuntu athole i-girlfriend allowance because I feel like girls bayenza i-must ukuthi every time noma unganayo mele athole leyo mali leyo you see because abanye bane mentality yokuthi into enjengalezo it comes out of love yabo if umuntu mhlambe mayekuthanda uzobona ukuthi nomuntu wami like how about ngimuphi imali so uzobona yena ukuthi uthengani you see mhlambe this month ngithi yazi ukuthini ngiyabona ifone yakhe crack screen
sure
then ngizothi like you know what nayi imali ungayolungisa screen
yabona lento le like njengoba bowusha ngazi noma ngikuze kahle ukuthi noma bathi noma into unganayo kwamele ufila ngathi ungayiyenza leyo awuthi yami like sayidini ingozi because ugcina like seyihamba nepressure phakathi ukuthi ugcina sowenza nento wrong just because ufuna ukuchaza abantu ugela and lento le ikhawatha wena yabo because mina ngaforce to prove uFifi ukuthi okay anginafokole ngihlanganisa amajita siyaphuma sithi siyoganga so that ngizobuya nemali bangibambe mina ngifahlake bese yena mekasala uzoyenzani uzocova amanye ama-out because ngiyenza
amajita wakhe
yabo angangena amajita futhi because ekugcineni mina bengifuna ukuchaza yena ngokuthi anginafokole ngifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi vele mfethu uma ufuna into ekanje ngizokwenzela but then nawe uyazi ekugcineni ukuthi into mengekho ayikho but akusho ukuthi just because ayikho today kusasa ngeke sibe nayo soba nayo injalo nje kuphela injalo.
So nawukholelwa kulento ukuthi umfana nje ithe master ukuthi akuphe imali nje ithini iview yakho lapho?
Mina ngikholelwa like as long as ungiphuthando like wenza like mawunakho yabo uyasho nayo khaya ukuthi like makanakho like uyangipha yabo kodwa like ayi must ukuthi manje wena like ngisengiyafika ukhaya ngithi khaya ngifuna ukwenza inhloko na ngikhawisa kayakhipha fast uyatatazela uyasho naye ngisho uyabona ukuthi hayi inhloko yakhe kanje uzonginika imali hambo yenza inhloko nakhona like sanabazali thina amantombazana yabo so like nakhona ngisasemncane futhi ngathini ibaba must yabo
okay
yeah so abazali
laba bathi baba must laba bayenzani wayebasho kanjalo kungukuthi banabazali
hayi
akusindlala
basuka basile ke la
akusindlala angisho phela angisho nje basho ukuthi bona basesena like njengamantombazana abhayi anabazali kodwa bathini ibaba must why bathi baba must mara umuntu nabazali
ube nabangani bathi chomu sikajwala limshima nasinanitshelete ayibo tatona lichelete
athi abanye baphandile ekhaya
umthengele iMcDonald's nani yonke lento le
abanye baphandile ekhaya mocala ukele maybe umbhecha ngehlipanyana cabanga ukuthi yo le mali yangidli ngebracket uma ngifika endlini ngobhayi impuphu yabhesha yabo abantu abafana.
Yeah, I would agree ukuthi abanye bakhona i certain portion abajolela indlala but abanye it's just to fit their lifestyle. Abanye they wanna live a lifestyle that they can maintain. So in order for them to maintain that lifestyle, it's through gents. Yabo phela remember dog like lento lena mfethu I feel like into vele like esiyibona indenzakalayo. You see like lento ukuthi obvious thina ama-gents vele we are meant to be ama-providers. Well that's just facts siyayazi lento but also abochiri abanye lento le bafuna bazama ukuyisebenzisa to their advantage to an extent ukuthi umuntu uzofuna ukuthi manje umenzele yonke into umnike imali like every time now manje so usebenzela yena manje or so uphandela yena
for ukuthi uthenga ama-Brazilian.
Yes
ingozi ke lo cherry lonjalo because immediately mocala like ungasaziyenzi lezi zinto lezi omjwayeze zona uyaqala uyashintsha yabo because some guy naye uzobona ngathi maybe sekukhona maybe umuntu ombambayo esayidini because lezi zinto lezi bomenzela zona awusaziyenzi no yabo so lokho lo onjalo ingozi akafuneki
nanokuthi angahamba nje besides ukuthi nje because and lento le uzoyifuna somewhere because akasayitholi ithi yes so now sekumele ahamba uyifuna somewhere. And Anije, do you guys like stay together? Because most of the videos like in Suganonke bafethu.
Hey.
Hlali sonke.
Oh, like ukuthi nje akuvakashele and stuff ahambe and etc.
Yeah, hlali sonke just ukuthi nje uyavakasha nje kuphela. Uyavakasha yeah.
And ngicabanga ukuyohlala naye mina.
Awu.
Yeah ne.
Hayi.
Soon.
Soon nje.
Which means yeah?
Ngimuva in soon. Ningamangali.
So ready wena stay.
Hayi.
Yeah. Ready. Angivuni bona kanjani?
Ready. Not today mos.
Actually outside what do you do njam to umuntu mhlawumbe ubona stilo because siyabona ugqokene woza madala mfethu ngisoleni luhlezi unama black Thailand enhleke sikhiphane la ischeme uhlangana naso kanjani collaboration iniqale kanjani and stuff and iphi movement eniphushayo together no
kuthi like ithi ngibekela ukuthi mina namachita ahlangane kanjani angazi noma unyaka ngisawukhumbula igrand but boma 2021 or 2022 or 2020 lapho yeah vele mina bengukuthi vele njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi from high school bengumuntu vele othanda impahla khona out here masekas like bebayibiza ngo Mr Crazy Killer intona yami la sekas yabo so like besithuthana maybe ngeviki singithi ngenyanga maybe siya maybe kayi3 so stash siyathenga nje maybe kayi3 ngemonth e1 maybe this week siya next week kanjalo siya stash so mase stash kuba ilento lokuthi maybe makufika something a shop siya vele siyoyithenga kanjalo so sabona something bathi ifikile but besasekhona ku website like phela ingakafika eshop mesifika lapho kwaba izinto zokuthi asiyitholi khona umunye umjita bambiza ngoJovis umjita wami la eBlack Italian usipana eJozi TMT vele so untwana ngahlangana naye ngingamazi yabona umuntu maybe uhlezi umbone eshop ngambuza Hotman uGrand wathi ngiGrand ngambuza ukuthi into kanje nakanje bathi seyifikile kanti mina naye sizele into e1 ngihamba nokhile hayi ngoba izinto zokuthi exchange ngama number vele saqala sakhuluma efonini saringa kanjalo untwana maybe ngafika maybe uma next month eshop mengifika angimtholanga kule shop lebehlangana kuyo ngamthola bathi sipane TMT ngayakhona mengifika ngahlangana no Fafastra vele avela Fafastra before zohlala ethembisa umuntu usuke eKasila ka5 ethokoza yeah usuke ethokoza eKasila ka5 ngoba zokuthi intonyana zokuthi vele bayamcaba vele kasilonke la singithi K1 thokoza force loku kuphi bayamazi na uhlala la isoweso but yamcaba yabo abantu abababa bayamazi ngoba izinto zokuthi vele Fafastra uGrand awuthiyami le awuthe Grand as welcome Grand yasitshela ukuthi uJovis akekho but if sifuna uJovis sometimes singathinta yona efonini wasigama number kanti awuthiyami crazy inama number ka Fafastra already sacala lapho saringa Fafastra wangitshela plus angisho obvious uyabona vele nathi mesipost uthi le ntwana lezi busy wangitshela mina still ntanga ngifuna ukuvula ischeme kanje asihlanganise yena uphetha abo finisher I think that time bekuJovis finisher Fafastra singibek no Tanon then yeah no Fezela bekakhona lamanye amajita vele ajoine vele njoba isikhathi sesivayo then saqala ke lapho ke bekuzoba neSula Africa lapho phela usho uyabona no Mespost shaya izinto ezifanayo
yeah sure
dala bekungukuthi vele maybe mesovaya siyabo maSula Africa Fafastra sitshela ukuthi emergency siyabonisana ukuthi sishaya into kanje but uyabona ukuthi amakipkip la umunye ucoka uyelo umunye ucoka upink kanjalo kumixile saqala rabe ukuthi sihlangane after Sula Africa ukuya le phambili aveleke sesishaya iDMT1 uyesana ukuthi sosta bomathembisa mesithi sishaya ublue sonke eparkini yabele mofika eparkini vele ublue kuphela siyajuthana vele mesipostile vele meskipi post ukuthi madoda fanakho kushaya ikipe eziblue wonke umuntu uzofika eshop afune lesikipe esiblue leseDMT ene sophela istock besenza kanjalo after lapho ke saqala then sava isikhathi Fafastra vele wavula ibrand wezamatsala ukuthi vele sesiphusha yona kuphela yeah sesingasho ngeke ngithi no amajita like ischeme sesiyafana nefamily yabo yeah because like into engayisho like so far mina side la mangazi wona amajita abona kanjani since ngiphila nabo izinto ezibhangi improve empilweni and ngifunde nezinto ezibhangi ngazazi just because of bona sengasho ukuthi ngibonge awuthiyami Fafastra ngokuthi engihlanganisa namanye ama outer crime yabo yeah because vele since ngisikhothana but izinto ezibhayi bengingacabi ukuthi mina ngokukhothana ungayenza imali but ngoFafastra today izinto ezibhaya vele ngisishayile just because of fear
ayo Fafastra mina nemgayina ama credits everyone that comes here especially kuma Black Italian like he had a huge impact like ukuthi I movement ifike la ikhona no
sure yeah Fafastra ngeke like ngikhuluma abanye abantu otherwise but kule culture no ebukhothana
ngiyakuthola
uyinkulunkulu iphethe straight ngendlela eright because abantu ababhaya mfethu bayile fair just because of Fafastra ale awuthile mfethu ngeke ngithi iawusi maybe valelena nayo ngeke but le thola ukuthi maybe kuvela something for yona mina for mina side la mekuvela something for yona thola ukuthi iyabona ukuthi izoba busy yangitshela still yangishaya ngekholo mabathi kunini ngafona maybe bangayisexta ngo11 engifonele ngo11 ebusuku isintanga khonto kanje velayo vayo khona lapho babize yona ibatshele labantu ukuthi mina ngizothumela ustilo ngizofike ngiyela ngipophe ngibe Grand and just because ngipopile ngeke ngitshele ukuthi stilo ntanga ngibhadale ayikho kanjalo lokho engikutholayo lapho kwami yena as long ngibe Grand mina nayo Grand nje into azofuna ukuyazi ukuthi uvaye Grand umnandi sure phelile next time kubela something uplug omunye lento le idlala like emajiteni kanje yabo kuyaplagwana enhle kusiyasizana yabo yeah injalo
okay manje sibuyele ku Fifi kancane Fifi angizwanga ubala umama ngikuze ubala ubaba kuphela umama ngabo sekhona
Yeah, umama usekhona yena. Just that asihlali sonke nomama.
okay
Yeah. Uhlala le Leondale, sihlala le nathi.
but like do you visit her like are
Yeah.
you guys in communication
Yeah. Not really like really. Kodwa khona stepmother uyumama ngisho. Ey mama uzongixolela lapha hey. Mara stepmother uyumama. Mama ami like ay. Yena ukhona like siyabonana vele siyakhuluma yabo. Yeah. Got the stepmother sami uyumama.
and it's so ironic because most of the time like I'm not trying to speak I'm a stepmoms gabi or whatsoever I'm a stepdads but most of them yiba abantu abajwayele ukuthi uthola ukuthi bakhuluma negatively about them ukuthi mhlambe uyangihlukumeza yabona it's this ungiphatha kabi but ku it's the opposite
Yeah, cause like stepmother sami njengoba sithanda ubabami anyeke mina ngize ngithi ubabami noma like wahlukana nayo stepmother babami nayo ngisekeza nomunye ugeli cherry mayise ngikwadela ubabami ukuthi uza nomunye babami uzothandana nomunye like anyone afuna ukuthandana naye ngizomthanda nami because like stepmother sami siphuma kude vele naye so like ungithathe nje ngumntana wakhe wangikhulisa kahle saba grand.
So when are you ready to be a stepmom?
Hey, the biggest question ever. Yeah, madoda. Sayithatha le. Yeah. Ay, that's a bomb. Bego. Waqeleza ama question angaka manje.
Mina ngeke ngize ngithi ngizoba istepmother samntana kakhaya.
Yeah.
Ane like ngisasemncane for ukuthi ngazipha leyo position ukuthi ngizoba istepmother. Because mina nokhaya phela ngiyokwazi kusasa singavuka kusasa sicabene sihlukane yabo so angifuni ukuzipha ama position stepmother mara umntana wakhe njengoba amthanda nami ngizomthanda.
It's something that you are willingly to do but angeke manje uzithwesa umthwalo like no
stepmother na
because you must play a role of umama
mara nameka khona yo hayi ayamnakekela
ayamnakekela ne yeah phela phela ukukhuluma nezenzo zibuye uthola ukuthi mhlambe angaba like ukuthi mina I'm not ready for this but thola ukuthi indlela enza ngayo phela wena indlela obona ngayo akusindlela yena abona ngayo yena uyazenzela like yabo ukuthi mhlambe amenzele nje just basic things but wena mawucheck yabona ukuthi no man kahle kahle isandla sakhe sihle ekuphatheni umntwana and stuff yabo
phela umntwana acabanga nomntwana mina yenzanga nikuso ngizomphatha vele kahle. Yeah.
And how long you've been living with your stepmom?
Yo umama thingivele ngibeka istory sonke mama ushiya ubaba mvele like ngisasemncane I think boma 1 year lapho mara umama like bengilongihlala naye ubento ukuthi ugogo mvele ethokoza athi ucela like ukungikhulisa yabo hayi hlale nomagogo vele angikhulise ibe into ukuthi umama msaka ngifuna back yabo kanti ubaba mvele isakathola umuntu baba mathi hayi ufuna like ngizohlala nabo vele ngahlala nabo I think iboma bese ngina 3 years lapho ke from lapho ke until boma 10 namanje like yeah ngisahlala nabo vele just ukuthi ngisethokoza ngisho amaka ngihleli naye lo ya like umama lo yeah nokhaya nokungibuza ukuthi hayi like nginokuthi like sometimes ngimangifuna ukuxoxa ngomama mami ngithi umama mara ustepmother ngifaka like lezo zinto yabo ukuthi hayi lo ya umama because yangisupporta kuyonke into yangisupporta akana inkinga ukuthi like nangibaba makaholile imali yakhe iza kimi nayiseka yakwata manje hayi
yeah because most cases banokwenza kanjalo ne hayi
akakwati uright nje nguma like ngithatha nje ngumntana wakhe vele yeah.
Okay. Coming back to you Stilo, when I in like time ubuyincanya like about ubukhothane and stuff was it clothing cause ngibona ngathi umuntu like oyithandela indwangu uthi
yeah iswe
yeah ngiyabona namanje nje uswenkile nje namanje
shamse inkomusha konguthi maybe I think angikho sure noma seyiphumile na ishop but isagcoke yithi kuphela amachita so like okay into engayiqala like ngokhothana thina lento lesibona from ekas since vele sikhula lapho ke besambashile nathi sagijima ngenyawo phansi yabo ya siyabona vele ama hotman miwayenza ekas yabo so kuba lezi zinto lezi ama hotman malokho abhiza yenza avela ngama RM nathi like yabona like ama-cent awekho but then siyafisa ukuthi mesikhula nathi sifane nabo banibani kanjalo lento lesiyilandelela from efonini sikhula nayo vele kanjalo yabo yeah so ngacala kanjalo ke ukuthanda ukukhothane ngoba ukuthi khona elinye iHotmani balibiza ngoStivers
Okay.
kungukuthi angazi bekasuka ayo ngisala ukukhumula ikasi lakhe la bekasuka khona kodwa azohlala la eK1 megafika eK1 ngoba izinto zokuthi khona lama two piece bewa kanje kodwa la oma keep angazi noma usakhumbula abo SpongeBob nani yeah beshala ke le every weekend bewashintsha angatshela umama ngathi mama into kanje nakanje ngiyayifuna yabaza abazali if into akayazi price yakho shop kodwa abantu mebakhuluma ngaestradini uzocava ukuthi iyadura yabo ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyayifuna ngakhuluma nale yazi ke amaHotman ayajuthana athana muphanda imali ngizokufaka istars uphanda imali mina ngizange ngaphanda ngatshela abazali but then lama two piece ngicina ngawathenganga kodwa ngagcina sengilandelela izinto zama DMT Rosemoda nani lokho ngikhula nje ngaze vele ngaba ustilo vele kanjalo
Okay. Wena angizwanga ngoba le ndaba yabazali athi abazali bakho bavavile njalo.
Yeah, I feel like mina ngihlala like noMagrisa.
Okay.
Umadala yena akasekho emhlabeni. Yabo yeah. Yena uMagrisa ukhona yena empilweni yami sure.
Okay. And then ukhuza uKhilo nomaze kanjani mfethu Ntanga?
Khelo vele sihlangane game
blakile athi ugayila ama credits akhe enhle ngithola ezinye zezinto uzibone ngawe enhle ngithola. Yeah, so nje
uKhelo ke mina kuze ngihlangane naye khona lama bruwe la wesifazo so wesifazo angazi noma uyakhumbula la ngathi sha maybe ngomagogonyana ngapha emuva maybe monga check efonini ungawabona so lo Khelo behlezi posta ku Facebook yabo ukubona mo check njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi ngikhulele ngithanda ikhothana ngiyachecka la ngibona uKhelo ushale la bruwe ngithini friend request ngiyam-add mengim-add ngiyambuza phela into mongayazi mele ubuze danga le bruwe kanje na kanje ulithenge eva alokhela ibhizi ithi hlanganisa imali ngizokukhapha ngazithola imali ukhele mekumele angikhaphi akatholakala efonini I think walahla ifoni noma wayenzana ngisakhumbule saloko sibhizi sikhuluma bomba mekalogile kanjalo sikhuluma maybe I think besinabo 3 years or 4 years singabonani singacavani singamangani basefonini yabo but then ekugcineni ngoba ukuthi mekuba isikhathi sabonana I think yakhumula njengoba bekala ukhulumile nangendaba zama event
yeah hostile lenombiza
yeah bengihostile ngambiza phela ngiyabona ukuthi ifele le out yami iyashisa bengizobiza lazi ke katanga kabi lo Khelo lo obig no bekusaselo Khelo lokunguthi uyancenga and njengoba ncenga kanje thina njengabangani bakhe sikhona siyamsupport yabo ngathi mengimbiza phela ekasi lami mina like ngihlala ekasi elidisi lifihlekile so mengabiza umuntu kwenye indawo kuzothayida abamaza ngisho methula bamazele efonini does make afika semdebe amrasela babhizi yebo angisho uyamazi uhleze siyeboy wathi bathanda lo yeboy wakhe haye nami bangibona ukuphi umngane wakho yeboy ngani ka yeboy yabo dunyane ezinjalo does make afika plus uKhelo ke angali ngi-out but yayangichaza out yami inkulumo yayo emnandi yabo ngabona ukuthi uKhelo mengimdonsa kanje kuzothayida ngadonsa nabo fafasi nangasidonsa zonke lezi zami kwaba mnandi sicabana kanjalo ke mina noKhelo yabo khothane nje kuphela sengingasho ukuthi yonke life yami mina like ubukhothane yabo ubukhothane uthiyami
manje how do you respond to these things ukuthi you can't be sikhothane like umdala nani and stuff the more cool it's like izinto mele udeparture kuzo uziyeke nani unibona kanjani lento leyo
angisho abanye like njengoba okay thingibe kanje baze kubukhothane just because bafuna ukubona ukuthi something baye afford thina lento lesiyenze just because siyathanda noma bathi ngumkhulu noma bathi sengumkhulu nginabo 50 something mengifuna ukugcoka ikhavela ngizoyigcoka just because lento le isegazini ngiyenzela abantu into vela like moyenzela abantu iyashesha ukuphelela just because ufuna ukuchaza abantu akusinto yenza just because uyayithanda futhi into moyenza like ugaina something kuyo uzochubeka uyenze because awuyenzeli ukuthi ufuna ukubona mina ngiyazi ukuthi ubukhothane buyangisebenzela njengoba ngisho ukuthi izinto ezibhaya ngiziyenzile namajensi bangivula amehlo so ubukhothane ngeke ngibiyeke laba bathi once wabamdala ubukhothane uyabiyeka inkulumo labo ezabo phela ya injalo
uyacula futhi uthami
mina ngiculi mina angicula ngijive ngiyaqoka kuphela
okay
ngicula ngijive
yeah cause angilibonanga igama lakho vele kule EP leli
liphume nono
yaphumile leli gibeli bus
sure
faster
mina ngiculi mina.
Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. Sesibuyele kuwe Fifi. Do you have best friends? Like, do you have people you consider as my best friend in your life? Why?
Bangenze kabi yo.
Bakwenzeni?
Yo. Like abangani abekho right.
Serious? But abangani ngithi yibo la benibonisana nabo ukuthi yochome
yazi. Like kunomngani, kunomuntu ongathusisi.
Okay.
Yabo. Nginabo sisi, anginabo abangani. Usisi. Like usisi wami vele. Ngimtshela yonke into engikhona angasho ukuthi i-best friend ama anginayo mina i-best friend.
But to say abangani bakwenze kabi, iziphi mhlambe some of the experiences
yazi inkulumo nani umuntu ahamba ukukhuluma kabi lezo zinto nje. Yeah, my best friend anginayo.
Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. And then how do you feel about lento yokuthi now angithi yamuzwa ukuthi ukhaya eceda kuthini? Obviously into ongayithani noma into mhlambe engathi yakuvimba usujole nayo ukuthi uyisikhothana or something. How do you feel about the fact that manje uthandana nesikhothana? Because enye into mawuyibheka from outside it's different than masonga phakathi. So now iziphi izinto discovery like since now so ujola naye ni together nje.
Yo, mina ngazi shame ngathini kodwa like benyeke if like azange ngize ngijole nokhaya benyeke like ngibe popular kanje nakhona kumnandi yazi ukuthiwa like yo yegela umuhle yazi ngibone kugroup lapha ku social media kumnandi like if like ngazange ngize ngijole nokhaya lento le benyeke ibe khona. Yeah.
So uyathanda utrend. But it's good to trend.
Not really.
Yeah?
It's good to trend. Ukuthi abantu nje like nawe ungene ku traffic nje.
Akathanda ukutrenda noma nje like mesicabanga ukushaya i-videos post. Singayishaya i-video mase sibuka like ngisile ngiyayipost uthi singayipost. Akathanda ukutrenda yena.
Hayibo. Uthele account le nivule which day was it manivula le account because been celebrate recently ukuthi account ishaya 100k followers.
Le account
sivule
July.
Yeah,
but azange sa
August manje.
Azange sa post.
Say go 100k.
200.
Oh, 210 manje.
210,
So,
yeah.
Yo damn.
Yakhula le account every
so nithen celebrate 200 go a day another 100 on top of the celebration. Yo, wow. And manje like to abantu manje abanfollowayo abanibukele like yini kumele bay expect yabo because khona mhlawumbe oba like guys ngiyathanda ukunibona ngathi ngaqhubeka niyenze lento lena into enizoyenza ukuthi niqhubeke nijabulisa abantu noma like what's the whole plan now since i-account nibona ukuthi iyakhula iyagrow and abantu futhi bayanthanda.
Obvious abantu like isazobajabulisa yabo because vela akukho easy kube content creator now uyazi sayidini kwamele uhlezi like creative so mophelela ama plans isho ukuthi kuphela kwe content so like into engayisho like siyazama nathi ukuthi khona ama videos now but asikaka post kwamele siposte like into evumayo for leso sikhathi ngeke kungukuthi maybe singaposta i video maybe saqala ukujola then nento yamanje lento le like ayihambiselani so yatlasha yabo so meso positive yasekucaleni namanje kanjalo sesiyayifoster kwamele siposte i video yambiselana nesimo samanje so like bona ababheke like izinto ezibhaya yabo because sikhuluma kukanje like nama khona like ngeke ngithi i-company but abantu abanama shop nyana baphusha something siyawathola ama phone calls yabo basipromise izinto ukuthi since sinithanda like RNK sinithanda na into yene like sifuna ukunipha yona nibonisa abantu nathi sivele ukuthi siniphe ini just because isuka kuphi inhliziyweni yabo so nathi soyenza kanjalo bele sibapostele.
Wow.
Yabo because ayikuthi bathi bapha mina obapha u5 bapha thina soyi2 omunye nomunye uthola kwakhe just because uthando injalo.
Okay, and then Fifi ngikongitshela at first you said ukhaya ongacabanga ukuthi uzojola naye and umtshela futhi lento leyo ani but it happened ukuthi ugcine sojola naye. Do you have a type or you don't have a type?
Yo type akunayo nana. Type akunayo mara iya ngokuthi umuntu ukuphatha kanjani and umuntu like angisho before nijola ungabovela uthi hayi nawukhaya ngiyakuthanda like sisiyabonana manje siyajola. That's why ngivele ngathatha nesikhathi yabo ukuthi ngimcome nani bengifuna ukumazi ne background yakhe iqala like ngasitholi ngisenkingeni iqala qale like ngafunda i background yakhe ngambheka naye ukuthi right angagcina ngibona vele ukuthi hayi right.
When I tell me type una type, no me type vele.
Mina ngine type.
Yeah.
Hayi. Angifuni ugelo omnyama.
Yellow phone.
Mina ngine type, angifuni ugelo omnyama, serious.
Yeah.
La uthi yami ngeke ngithi ngimnyama bese ngizothatha enye into emnyama futhi. Yabo enye ibhom le. At least njoba sibona mina ngimnyama yena umhlophe. At least mesivaya estradini ukubonakala umehlukonyana.
Yeah.
Manje ngimnyama nginkinga nami ngothatha enye inkinga. Isipani kanjalo mina ngithaki.
Yeah. Are you coping Xolani?
Ngithaki. Njalo like ngikhuluma iqiniso yabo.
Yeah.
Angeke ngithi ngimnyama ngothatha enye inkinga emnyama. Sesihlangene.
Yeah.
Cabanga ke mebathi sithola umntwana in future. Umntana ethu thina abazali siyinkinga. Umntana uzoba yini?
Umntana la uzoba inkinga.
Yes. Yebo. So ezinye izinto ndotamela usibheke ndoda. Tamela usibheke. Cabangela abantwana because thina vele sesikhona. Bona mebaba khona bayobanjani? Inkinga. Inkinga sifuneki. At least mina nginethemba ukuthi mina no5 in future mesingaba nencusi. Akuphuma ipoyoza yambona phela nayo on. Phuma into on. Yeah. Manje vele mengizothola inkinga yo. Silimela.
Limela.
Ndike abantu abazi futhi abantu mebacabe kasi. Monomntana bathanda ukuguga umntana wakho mesakakhulanyana. Phela ukubona umntana wakho. Phela umntana omuba akadlaliseki. Serious, akadlaliseki wena ungamdlalisa umntana omuba. Ngikhuluma.
Uyithola udlalisa umntana omubi.
Akadlaliseki umntana omubi. Hayi. Mengabe umntana omubi la bekomuhle la boyithuba acela ishumi uzophama uphweni. Uzophala omuhla ngisho. Bona kahle ukuthi lo mubi ayabhedela lo.
And laba babi laba bathanda abantu.
Abababi
yeah. And laba abahli laba abangafuni ukuyithola kubantu even noma baguga bayakhala la.
Bayakhala bayakhala.
Yeah.
So izinto ezenzakalayo leyo type notamela ube nayo umuntu ndoda.
I know ukuthi you're still young but like do you consider yourself having kids maybe in the future and how many? Mhlawumbe still nje azoyenza show ukuthi naye uyazi ukuthi kahle kahle kumele abe prepared.
So like manje okwamanje umntwana ngimfuna okwamanje because nginama plans amaningi yabo. Mara in future ngiyabafuna vele kwamele babe khona vele. I must.
How many mhlawumbe if you were to estimate and give us a number?
4.
Adlala lo muntu kufuneka 10 simyebhola. Kufuneka 10. Serious.
Away for right.
Yeah, ne? And what's your couple goals? Like my goals now is a couple nje. So niba like manhleli like ama pillow talk be like yazi ngifuna senze into so like ngifuna senze into so or izinto enifuna uku achieve both like as a couple not individually because obviously niyawa nama goals like separately ukuthi I mina ngine goal ethi nawe ngine goal but couple goals nje need together which are those?
Okay, ngikhuluma ecala before FIFA khuluma kwa.
Okay.
Lezi ama couple goals zona zikhona ne but then mina ngibona ukuthi ngaba grand ukuthi sizirenge yiphambi kwabantu because akusiwo wonke umuntu ozothanda into maybe thina so forced ukuyenza because abanye abantu like exciting hayi ukuthi abantu bayaganga but nenhliziyo nayo umthakathi ngokwayo yabo mebangeza ukuthi maybe thina sifuna ukuyenzana like umuntu yakubamba ngenhliziyo like solo ukuthi ngiyasho ukuthi okay bazwile ukuthi besila sithi thina in future sifuna like achieve izinto ezikanje nakanje lezi zinto lethola ukuthi asayenzeki sebathi abanamanga kanti uyazi ukuthi umuntu wakhona sibame ngenhliziyo hayi abantu abakude nathi abantu abaseduze nathi. So yabo wona ama couple goals akhona
ne?
Yeah, like izinto like ezinengqondo vela ukuthi izinto nyana just because siyenzela ukuposta izinto like ezisibuildayo thina ngokwethu C2 zikhona. Yeah.
Okay.
Njalo.
Now if you would say the same.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what is before nje sizoyivala.
Sure.
What is yini into yaziyo about uKhaya that you think the public doesn't know about him?
uKhaya akasithanda iskate.
Yeah.
Yini?
Iskate.
Akasithanda iskate. Like akalandelela amantombazana.
Yeah.
Uyayiphikisa?
phela ngithi uzokhuluma ngokunye ngingakwazi insini.
Yeah, nakasithanda skate and umuntu wesifazane uyakwazi like ukumhlonipha. So like nami like ngimnika leyo nhlonipho leyo back yabo. Ukhaya kamdeserve umuntu nje ohlaza. Good. Yeah.
And you my dog, yini mhlambe into ongathi the public doesn't know about her that you know.
Into engayisho abantu abangayazi mina lengiyaziyo about yena. Yeah, ngasho ukuthi nje na umuntu okrand for mina and because the reason why ngisho kanjalo ukuthi abantu maybe basitshela ukuthi sijolele content ne into abayaziyo but then mina like for mina yanginakekela dog.
Yeah.
Blind.
Yeah, because there's a vida kulethela ukudla mfethu.
Wena uyadlala ukhuluma ngokudla. Ubuka ngwashela ezinye impahla nodayo. Ezinye impahla ezingakanani. Lo muntu uyawasha ndotungenzela yo everything dog, everything. But maybe lapha endlini yabona ngishaya impahla esibhaya yabo. Ezinye angisasigcoki. Beka ufifike meka sendlini uvundula yonke into nalezi akudala ezingcolile uzwasha zonke. Abantu abakwazi lokho. Yabo.
Yeah.
Abakwazi.
Fifi, awu encourage usisi laba mhlambe
Yeah, basiwashele
abagcine basiwashela.
Phela angisho like amanye amantombazana ngoba mina lo mfana kangishadanga basho kanjalo.
Yeah,
Nalo
yeah,
mfana kangishadanga ngiyenzela manje
benithola umsuthu mngani wami.
mara like mina ngibelieve ukuthi ngeke ukukhaya like ngimbona ukuthi yo khaya ungcolile ukhaya uje like ngimekelele kanjalo nje ngazi ukuthi hayi khaya nje ubusy la kunezinto abusy ngazo yaba ngimekele ukuthi and akasithola isikhathi sokuthi awashe ayenzeni ngeke ngize ngimekelele siyabhildana
So kahle it shows ukuthi this is the reason why vele umele ube nomuntu wesimami.
Yeah.
Akusize yamuza uthini manje.
Phela kahle kahle umuntu wesimami
ukuthi ubusy. You see, that's why eyabona ukuthi no, I can assist ngokwenza so mina. Yeah, what were you saying?
Kahle vele umuntu wesifazane like mesikhuluma amaqiniso umsizi impilo yakho wena njengendoda yabo. Yeah. Injalo vele.
Yeah.
Because wena like sometimes njengomjita like siba like njengamajita siba busy entweni esibhaya.
Yeah.
So like yena meka khona yena kwamela kwenze lezi nye izinto lezi kungukuthi wena awubi nesikhathi sokuthi uziyenze. Yeah, angazi ukuthi yena ubona kanjani uFifi. But then kanjalo
ngikhulumile kunjalo nasekhaya bangifundise kanjalo ukuthi indoda mawuthandana nomuntu omekeleli ukuthi ukushadila akushadanga lokho kuze move angisho like thina amantombazana like is expect ukuthi mawujola nomfana nje waqala ukumashela iskip uzongishada okwaqala in uzongishada ayi mina ukuthi angishada kangishada nginandaba mara yena ngisazomnakekela
Yeah ne. Wow.
ngelakhe
No tell me you like wena. Ay.
Mele siyeli Lesotho.
Usuka kuphi? Where is home like
Kodwa
eQwaqwa.
Kanqane. Yeah.
masiyo
Do you go there?
yeah I do
You do ne. And when nje usuka kuphi like your background?
ngisuke eNatal eMtubatuba.
Umzulu Themba.
Umzulu.
Wena?
Yini ngathi umsuthu.
Mhlambe yabuwa or something.
Hayi ngikwazi nokubuka ndoda ngomzulu straight.
Yeah.
Suke eMtubatuba mina.
Umtubatuba.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you visit that side?
Yeah, ngiyavakasha blind.
Okay.
Blind.
Okay no ngiyakuthola so abantu mhlawumbe abafuna ukusipana nawe or like abafisa mhlawumbe ukucollaborate nawe and stuff like bangakuthola kanjani awuthemba?
Yeah, mina like yonke indawo like Insta, Facebook, TikTok still okhaya vele. Yeah, ayijiki nje one way still okhaya. Kukho la ngisibiza khona ngelinye igama. Still okhaya nje kuphela. Meba ufika lapho baseshe bazongithola yeah. Injalo.
And then as a couple still they can still or they can text like the page in TikTok and then why didn't you say Facebook? RNK.
Facebook ngizoyiphusha. Angoshim like manager like ipage lethu le TikTok. So na ku Facebook ngizoyivula yabo. Just ukuthi thina sibelieve ukuthi yonke into ilanda like kancane akumelanga ugagamela yabo. Yeah, injalo. Abantu abafuna like ukuringa no Fifi if ever like abamtholi bangathinta mina or maybe abafuna mina bangangitholi bangathinta uFifi because esikhathini esibhasi sihlezi sisonke so bazosithola simple yabo.
How often do you think like a man should seize umuntu wakhe? Like how like kumele kuthathe isikhathi singakanani ukuthi uzobona umuntu wakhe especially uma ungahlali naye because it's hard.
Yeah.
Oh, for me everything. Everything. Because now we are like uhlezi ashaya around yabo. Kungukuthi like maybe kuthatha isikhathi boma 15 minutes nyana ukuthi ngifike kubo. But yabo uyazi nami kangekho maybe naye singikhulumela set lakhe. Naye sanokuthi maybe ifake khona ngizwe ngase kathi ikhaya ngipolitela. So like every day like thina mesithola i-chance siyabonana. Yabo noma ngeke like isibonana like njalo kodwa nje leso sikhathi nje sisitholayo sasisebenzisa. Kumela nguzulinde boma iviki oyinyanga uthola i-chance nje bona umuntu wakho.
Yeah. Manje utham uzwile phela ukuthi uthe akazi noma uzomshada or not. Wena mawubhekile would it ever get to that point? Do you want to get married nje wena?
Yeah, obvious ngoba like mina ngikholela ukuthi vele kwamele ngishade. So like uNkulunkulu meka ngipha amandla. Noma bathi sasebancane kanje meka ngipha amandla ngamshada mina. Yabo yeah. Ngamshada.
Wow. Yeah.
And would you say yes because also it depend ukuthi uyavuma na?
Yeah, konda ngavuma yo.
Okay.
Ngoba ukhaya.
Yeah. It's not easy for you to love, ane?
Yeah.
Do you feel like umuntu hard like ukuthi umuntu angamthanda?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yini expecta kumfana kuze umthande?
Inhlonipho.
Yeah.
Inhlonipho nempatho. Like everything mara ayila isinlitso man. Ayisandla yo.
Okay.
Maye manicabani bani osuke isusile?
Obvious.
Noma ngithi uye manje.
Mesikhuluma amaqiniso hayi niyayisusa vele yabo.
Serious?
Like nakhona meka isusa ukuthi mina la mesixabana asixabani ngezandla. Ngomlomo. Nakhona maybe mesixabana maybe thola ukuthi yena maybe kwatela maybe into encane meka kwatile obvious. Mhlokoloza ufuna ukukhuluma yamhlokoloza. Hayi uyangibhora futhi angisakufuni. Maybe this week maybe nje ngolahle maybe kayi3 nyana lapho sasesonke yabo. Uyayisusa yena yabo. Yeah uyayisusa blind yo. Njengoba isusa kanje mina ngiyamlaya mekathi uyangilahla shy live lapho ku RNK ngithi tshela abantu bakho ukuthi awusangifuni.
Yeah, usuke senzeni vele my sister?
Like ukhaya ish mina ngazi kodwa like ngivele like ngiyatineka. Like kunokuthi ukhaya like abe busy ngefone nawo. Like ungene ku TikTok like ayibani isikhathi sami mfethu. Ila ke sengicela khona ikhaya uyangidina yo.
Yena ubusy ngefone.
Ubusy ngeTikTok RNK.
Yeah, are you coping James? Nina hlezi une busy. You see? Yeah, okay, njengayithandani bafethu. Anikhuthaza abanye phela. Nabo basingile. Ngeke nibatshela ukuthi kumnandi kangakanani othandweni.
Yeah, so like
alobe yaqonya izolo manje.
Yeah, yazikhambani into engayitshela abantu abajolayo yabo ukuthi mfethu uma umuntu uthanda umuntu wakho akekho umuntu perfect. If umuntu umthanda ungamiyenza lento le ufisa ukuthi abe yiyo. Nakhona if naye uyafuna ukuba ilento le oyifisayo oba umuntu actor right for umuntu amthandayo. So like awukho umjolo like perfect. Wonke umjolo uneyinkinga and zonke inkinga sidinga ukulungisa ukuthi egcineni ibe right. Yeah. Injalo.
Yeah, my sister.
Injalo.
Wena ungathini mhlawumbe nje ku couple out there enenkinga ezama ukulungisa or ukhuthaza nje abantu nje oba like ish ngiyafisa ukujola but inkinga I'm scared because bakhona abanjalo ngiyasaba mani
ababhayo.
Ay mina ngithi like baba like manihlangabezana nenkinga ne. Like hlalani phansi vele nilungise ukuthi nithatha ama decision. Ninga like into engena reason futhi evalid yabo ukuthi ayi na ukhaya mina ngiyakulahla khaya asihlukane manje sesiyahlukana nayo khaya vele uba serious siyahlukana vele ayikho right lento le like bonisana nicala ukuthi azinifethu bheka like mina ngithanda into yenzile kanje yabo naye asho vele then sibone solution ukuthi siphuma kanjani.
Okay.
Ano kezwakala khona nakho mhlawumbe sesizoyivala nje.
Yeah, sesivala nje ubafo phela khulume ngogelo wakhe lapho umtshele.
Oh ufuna mhlambe amtshela ukuthi umthanda kangakanani.
Yeah.
ufuna ngimtshele le ngimthanda ngakhona
Yeah. So ngajika nje umbheke.
awuyazi yena le ngimthanda ngakhona yabo awushiyazi
Angazi ukhuluma.
like awuthiyampeka lo uyazi le ngimthanda ngakhona
Nanga lapho.
angishiyazi ngimthanda ngakhona
Ekela kumkhondita wasilo wabo. Hayi, ibantsula leli yelivume.
uyazi angisho mara uthiyampa siqhatha uyacaba ngisho uyazi awuthamara
So awufuna ukuzwa,
noma
Ngifuna
but uyazi mfethu ngimtshela everyday le muntu ukuthi
Yeah.
But ufuna ukuzwa
Yeah,
man.
bro.
The thing is manje ufuna ukuzwa. That's the thing.
Amtshele phambi kwethu.
Yeah, and also reply futhi should you do justice angithi reply.
Yes.
My actually ukuthi as from maybe from this time, you know, I've laid my eyes on you, it was this, it was that, yabo and stuff.
le mina ngiboni ifuneka ntanga ke
Yeah.
mara like masikhuluma amaqiniso ufifu uyazi mina ngimthanda ngakhona so uthando lami for wena fifu angazi ukuthi mina ngalibeka kanjani or ngiliqale ngili-explain kanjani but ekugcineni yena deep down uyazi ukuthi mina like yeah ngiqwele ngayo big time yabo ezinye izinto mfethu ngeke like ukwazi ukusichaza or ngathi ndewe ufila ngakhona phakathi but then khona kusuke kukhona but then ngeke uzukuchaze because ezinye izinto mfethu zenzima but umuntu wakhona lo usukuthandana naye uzo understand then ukuthi njengoba ngikhuluma phambi kwenu kanje yena mengimtshela something angayi understand but wena ehlele esidini uzobona ngathi hayi lento khaya ekhuluma ayikho yabo ya injalo
And actions speak louder than words, ane?
injalo vele
Indlela I think nendlela nezenzo zakhe zakutshengisa ukuthi uyakuthanda ngenza.
ya injalo sikhulumele
Hayibo nami ngiyaphendula.
Yeah, you can say.
Khaya. Ngakuthanda Khaya.
thandwa yini
That being said,
ayangithanda ufifi ntanga yo big time yo
yeah.
ngithanda yo
Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming and I wish you guys all the best. Yabona njengoba and like I think in Bonin, like yabona nginibuzile ukuthi page leniqale nini. It's not even like 3 months. But already you guys like yabona making progress like with whatever that you guys have started. So ngathi ngaqhubeka nibe consistent and I like your idea dog. You said content creation idinga ube creative, which you are right my dog. Iyadinga ukuthi like ube creative. Ungayenzi into ubona ukuthi hayi abantu bebayenza ukuthi nathi senze ukuthi. What about the day angekho umuntu ozobheka kuyo ukuthi ay ubani bekayenza into ethile manje
ukuze
na uzokwazi to relate or engage in the audience yakho yabo engathi nje from now going forward nje ngathi izinto zeningahamba kahle ku journey yenu bafethu. I wish you guys all the best. Yeah ngashare nje ama social wenu on that camera ukuthi abantu banfollow and then we're gonna wrap it up unless if khona mhlambe enfuna ukukusho before sivala nje. Khona mhlambe ufuna kokushona from your side.
ayina manginawo maningi yo
Yeah ungasho ukuthi banifollowe kuphi then that would be all.
Obvious mebafuna ukusifollowa siyi2
Yeah.
RNK ayikenya or else ke bafuna ukufollowa yena personally vele straight vele bamlande ku TikTok Refill Mbatha, Facebook yafana, Instagram Refill Mbatha njengoba ngishilo nami icaleni ukuthi studio khaya yonke indawo
Yeah. Okay. With that being said, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe ama comment and nice this time around.
hayi ngiyangayisho nje ukuthi bangakhuluma izinto ezikrene nje ukuthi na next time isiphinde sibuye la ekhaya
Yeah.
so nivakashela futhi yabo maybe sesingabuye sesixoxa ngokunye
Okay. I would love that. Okay. Yeah, we are out.